So this question is an extension from yesterday. So now instead of wrapping this birthday present, I want to know how many centimeter cubes I can put inside this birthday present box. So how much space does the entire box take up? Who wants to show me how to do this?
So I knew that the formula was length times width times height. So the length was actually 1 meter, but I just converted that into centimeters. So that was 100 centimeters. And then the width was 30 centimeters, which was like this. And then the height was 45 centimeters. So I just put that here. And then, so that's the formula. So I basically just times all of this, and I got 135,000.
What unit did you get?
Oh, centimeter squared, because centimeter cubed, yeah. So it did 3.
Okay. So why do you think this group said centimeter cubed and not squared?
Because it's not a 2D shape.
It's not a 2D shape, he is correct. So it's a 3D shape. So in the previous one, we did, remember with surface area, or just area, you would just find length times width. Okay, so you're multiplying 1 meter, so we did 100 centimeters, by 30. You're multiplying two things, and gives you an answer of 3,000 centimeters squared. But now, you're multiplying 3 things. And one way to look at it is you have this area here, okay, and you're having this, so you have the surface area, which is the area of the one shape, and you're stacking it 45 times. It's going on top of each other, okay? And this is why we add height as the third measurement in our calculation. So when we're doing these three measurements here, what are we finding? We know it's not area, because area is always squared. What is cubed? Volume. So this is volume. And volume is how much stuff is inside. How much stuff is inside. Okay, so in this case, if I wanted to take little centimeter cubes, I would need 135,000 of them. Did someone do this a different way with different numbers? I'm just curious. So you did it with meters squared. So tell me what you did.
You just made all the things into meters.
Okay, so now, first of all, let me go backtrack a bit. So volume, our formula is length times width times height. This is what this group determined, and they are right. So you took this meters, you kept this one, right?
Yep.
And then what did you do with these two?
Right. Into 0.3 and 0.45.
0.3 and 0.45. So let me just get rid of the M here so it doesn't get too cluttered. So 0.3, so it's because 30 centimeters is 0.3 meters. Right? It's 0.3 of a meter stick too. That might help you. So when you multiplied these three, what did you get? 0.135 meters cubed. So now with this one here, you might make a little connection here. Just like yesterday. Remember yesterday's learning was 1 meter squared is how many centimeters squared did we say yesterday? 10,000. Okay. Today's learning is going to be 1 meter cubed equals what?
1 million.
You're saying 1 million. So we're going to confirm this as true or false. So again, I'm going to draw out, just like I did yesterday, a cube, and it's going to be a perfect cube. Okay, so here's the cube, and it's 1 meter. Okay, so now we know volume equals length times width times height. And in a cube, every single side is congruent. They're all the same because a square, every side is the same. Same with the cube. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1 meter cubed. So now we take the same cube and we convert meters to centimeters. So 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So then volume equals length times width times height. 100 times 100 times 100 equals 1, and there's 6 zeros. Centimeters cubed. So therefore, 1 meter cubed equals 1 million centimeters cubed.